Today I am sharing a presentation based on an experiment I conducted as part of my university research. The goal of this experiment was to test whether we could successfully grow sweet potato plants in innovative cultivation systems, specifically hydroponic and aeroponic systems. Welcome back to Fresh K-Town. Sweet potatoes belong to the morning glories family and are primarily cultivated for their tubers. However, the leaves are also edible, and this aspect is often overlooked. Given the increasing demand for leafy greens and the advantages of soilless farming, we decided to explore whether sweet potato plants could be cultivated primarily for their leaves in hydroponic and aeroponic systems. For more general information on sweet potato cultivation, be sure to check out one of my last videos covering exactly that topic. To conduct this experiment, we tested two main variables. The first was the variety. We had two different sweet potato varieties, a round leaf and a pointed leaf variety. The second variable was the cultivation technique, of which there were also two. Plants were either grown in a hydroponic or an aeroponic setup. This created four experimental groups. Group 1, round leaf variety in hydroponics. Group 2, round leaf variety in aeroponics. Group 3, pointed leaf variety in hydroponics. Group 4, pointed leaf variety in aeroponics. Each group contained 3 plants, leading to a total of 12 plants for the study. The plants were propagated from cuttings before being placed into their respective systems. Over the course of the experiment, we observed some unexpected physiological responses from the plants. About 2 weeks after starting the experiment, the round leaf variety in the hydroponic system began showing signs of leaf discoloration. Initially I suspected iron deficiency, but further symptoms including white excretion suggested the possibility of nutrient toxicity. However, the discoloration pattern did not perfectly match typical toxicity symptoms, leading to me still not knowing what the exact causes could have been. About 3 weeks after starting, the pointed leaf variety in both hydroponic and aeroponic systems developed symptoms significantly different from the round leaf variety. What caused this I also do not know, but I suspect it could have been a different nutrient imbalance or even a potential viral infection. The round leaf variety in the aeroponic system remained the healthiest throughout the experiment, displaying no significant deficiencies or stress symptoms. If you have any ideas about what might have caused these symptoms, leave a comment down below. To analyze plant growth, we measured fresh weight at the beginning and at the end of the experiment. The best performing group was obviously the round leaf variety in the aeroponic system, which had the highest weight gain. The worst performing group was the round leaf variety in hydroponics, which exhibited the most severe symptoms and had the lowest weight gain. The pointed leaf variety ranked second and third, with the hydroponic variant performing slightly better than the aeroponic variant. The graph here clearly illustrates these differences, showing that the best looking plants at the end of the experiment also had the highest biomass increase. The experiment demonstrated that it is possible to grow sweet potato plants in both hydroponic and aeroponic systems. However, several questions still remain unanswered. Number 1 is nutrient management. Standard hydroponic nutrient solutions worked well for some plants, but led to deficiencies or toxicities in others. More research is needed to optimize nutrient formulations for sweet potato leaf production. Number 2 is system efficiency. While aeroponics produced the healthiest plants, it remains unclear whether this was due to superior nutrient uptake or simply because the hydroponic group experienced nutrient stress. Further trials with more controlled variables would be needed to confirm aeroponics' advantages. Number 3 is the varietal differences. Some sweet potato varieties may be better suited for soilless systems than others. Expanding the study to include additional varieties could yield more insights. So in conclusion, it is possible to cultivate sweet potato plants in hydroponic or aeroponic systems for leaf production. If you enjoyed this research breakdown and want to see more experiments like this, be sure to like and subscribe. Have any thoughts, experiences, or suggestions? Drop a comment down below. And as always, keep on growing. Peace.